ODI super soft long neck grips in black with some just metal pro bar ends. And then the bars, we have Devon Smillie Fuego bars in 9-inch rise cut to about 28.5 width. And then we have Sunday free stem in polish with a Cane Creek headset with 2 spacers, and then we have some Odyssey R32 forks which are pretty beaten up. And then the front wheel is a Sinz complete wheel with an Odyssey Chase Hawk tyre in 2.4. And then the frame is a Colt SOS frame 2015, painted metallic purple. Then we have the Mutiny seat, or a Mutiny seat, I'm not sure what one it is, I'll have it on the screen. And then we have a Saltplus gold sprocket with some Saltplus cranks and Saltplus pedals with KMC chain, nothing special, with the Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. And then we have a Shadow Conspiracy complete back wheel with the Shadow Raptor hub and with the Profile Mini driver with a Shadow velor tyre in 2.4 as well. I'll do a drop test. Just pretty dialed, and then I'll do a hub sound.
Cast me far away, played